Welcome to Cook With Us. My name is Alexandra Brown and I'm the Nutrition Director here at Lincoln County Aging Program. Thank you guys for joining us virtually for our 3-part series where we'll be discussing healthy recipes. So just to let you guys know too, if you miss any of the episodes, you can always check out our Facebook or our website and they'll be on there. So thank you for coming and I hope you guys enjoy the recipes. Welcome to You Are What You Eat. So eat with LCAP. Today we're going to be making a delicious berry salad. Let's go over the ingredients. It contains honey, olive oil, white wine vinegar, spring mix, berries, walnuts, feta cheese, as well as chicken. But that's optional, depending if you want to make it a vegetarian option or not. Also, if you have any questions about the recipe, it's right below, so check it out. All right, so let's get started. So let's get started with our berry salad. So first we're gonna start with the dressing. So the good thing about making our own dressing is that we can decide how much ingredients actually go into it. So let's get started. We have our white wine vinaigrette here. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons. One. 2. And the good thing about white wine vinaigrette is that it has a lot of flavor. However, it's very low in calories, if any calories. And the thing is, to learn about your calories, salt, anything like that, check out your ingredient label, okay? All right, next we're gonna do our honey. And we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of honey. And remember with honey, everybody, honey still has sugar in it, so we need to be careful about how much honey we add. Honey is natural because it is derived from bees. However, it still contains a decent amount of sugar. So just be careful based on how much sugar you actually want to have on your dish. So we have our tablespoon of honey. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so next we want to do 3 tablespoons of our olive oil. One. Okay. Okay, there we go. 2. We're just going with the punches here. Ready? 3. Okay, there we go. And the great thing about olive oil is that it has a good amount of monounsaturated fats. And monounsaturated fats are going to be great for monitoring your fat intake and help with your cholesterol as well. You want to make sure that you're getting good fats in, like your unsaturated fats, as opposed to your saturated fats. All right, so next we're going to do our salt as well as our pepper. Okay, so we're just going to do a pinch of salt. Ready? Ooh. And make sure you don't drop any on the side, because if you drop any, then you have to throw it over your left shoulder, just like Grandma said, okay? And then next we're going to do a pinch of pepper. There we go. Yep, boom. We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it. All right, so let's mix it all together. It's gonna be a little sticky because it has the honey in there, but you just kind of get deep across the edges and yeah, it looks really good. So we definitely want to sample it before we actually put it on our salad. So let's see. So one thing you guys are gonna learn about me is that when I try things, my face says everything. So watch my face and my words, and I promise I will not steer you guys wrong. Let's see. It's so sweet because of the honey. It's actually really good. It's sweet because of the honey, and I'm glad that I did add the honey. And this is gonna be great on your salad because we want this still to be a tasty salad as opposed to something that we don't enjoy as much. It's okay that it is sweet. But if you feel like but try it as you go. So if you wanna add more vinegar to it or more olive oil, that will definitely help. Olive oil will definitely dilute the sweetness of it. All right. So let's get to our next part for our salad. Let's do that. So in our bowl, we already have our salad. I did about 4 to 5 cups of salad in this bowl. And then you want to do 1.5 cups of your berries. So we have 2 types of berries here. We have our blueberries and we also have our raspberries. So 1.5. So if I'm 1 1/3, 12 ounces, 1 1/2. So make sure that you're cleaning off your berries and stuff before you get started. And one thing berries do contain is something called anthocyanins. I know that's like a crazy word, but the thing about those is that those contain antioxidants, which is really good for your body, and basically it helps fight against cancers and other diseases as well. And also it's just overall like it's a low caloric option, yet it's really fulfilling too. And it's just like this whole entire meal is very, very light. So you're not gonna feel heavy throughout the day. And also what's really cool about this meal is that this can either be an entree, so you can make a big salad for everyone, or you can make it as an appetizer. So either way, it's super good. So we already measured this out, and let's see how much I did. I did 3 tablespoons of this. So let's put that over there. Wow, this looks like the magazines. Oh my goodness. Check this out. This looks really good. Okay, and then another thing we want to add is our walnuts. And our walnuts is 1/4 of a cup. I already measured this out. So we're gonna put our walnuts on here as well. And walnuts is a really good source of fat as well as a really good source of protein as well. So like I was saying earlier, we want to do our monounsaturated fats. It's going to be better for your cholesterol, therefore being better for your heart in the long run. Okay? So like we can just use our hands and mix them up. Make sure you wash your hands prior to. Definitely want to get a bigger bowl next time, but it's okay. And we're gonna just serve it on our plate. And then I'm gonna put the dressing on top. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a little lettuce, a little cheese, like that. So it's our berries. Make sure we get some raspberries. Typically, you can use a serving spoon, however, whichever is comfortable for you. But if you're cooking just for you, it can be super, super lax when it comes to everything. Okay, so take a look at this, everybody. This looks so good. I'm so excited. All right, so last we're gonna add our dressing on top. Let's do it. I'm just gonna do just like a spoonful of dressing. And it's super light, so even though we made our own, like I said, we can add more to the portions if you would like more. But it just feels good knowing, like, people are gonna ask you, like, where did you get that dressing recipe? And you're gonna be like, it's my secret. Well, it's our secret. So you can tell them to check out our Facebook and check out our website, and they can learn more about it too. So let's try it out. I have my spoon right here, and I'll let you guys know what it tastes like. We got our spoon, our lettuce. You can use a fork, spoon, knife, however you're feeling it, but today we're using a spoon. This is really good. This is amazing. I'm really glad I added these berries to it because that berry added that like freshness to it. So it was really refreshing to have that berry in there. And also with the walnuts in there too, it really just added that crunchy feel. So the berries were more like softer. The leaves, kind of are very neutral, but the walnuts kind of bring in that crunchiness too. So it's all variety of salad in there, all variety of textures in there. And that's what you want with all of your food. You want your food to be a different texture on everything. And then you also want different flavors in there as well. So I'm glad that we added the vinegar and the honey. It really brought out the sweetness of everything. Okay. So I don't have anything left for you guys, but thank you for joining me on making our berry salad. Thank you for letting me come into your home today. Please stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. And then I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.